Okay, class, I wanted to give you some very clear instructions for finishing Brain Buffet Project 1 and um, 1 Part 2 in Canvas. So that's the first one is just completing half of this first project, and then the second assignment is finishing Project 1. I wanted to show you what I expect uh, for you to do to call it complete. So um, you have 19 little videos to watch. They're all very short, and I think they all have a little question in the middle. So to complete this, you have to get to the dot, click the correct answer, okay, and continue. Okay, when you get to the end of it, you have to click the screen button here. It says submit answer. Um, and if you get it wrong, you can go back and retake it and get the answer right. Okay, so there it shows one question answered, has a little yellow star. All right, success at the bottom. Excellent. All right, so at the very end, you take this Project 1 post-assessment, pass it there, and you should be following along on Premiere. And since we don't have enough computers, you can do this part with a buddy, but I want to see a screenshot that shows you follow it along. And the things that they want you to do in Project 1, one is to adjust the audio using rubber bands. So using this pen tool here, you're going to, it's going to explain how to adjust audio. So you're going to have some audio that goes up and down here. You're going to have text, and you're going to have added this safe margins in your options here in your program monitor. So you're going to I'm going to check to see if you have this little blocks, if you have titles on here. Transitions is the last thing they want you to do at the very end of the video, and this. Now, at the very end of the video, they say we're going to do a challenge project. We're actually not. The project we did at the end of last semester to make the videos for the Tech Academy, that was pretty much that challenge project. So we're going to go right into mountain bike interview. If you're done early in class, you can go ahead and start project 2. We're going to have to do it at some point anyway, and you could just go ahead and get a jump start on that. So once again, do this part over here, screenshot it. So on your Windows computer, it's Windows button, print screen. And you want to have made this timeline bigger like I show here to show that you've done everything. So once again, it's titles, safe margins here. This title here, cross dissolve or transitions between your clips, and adjusting the rubber band on your audio. Good luck, guys. Have a good sub day. And last thing, complete the post assessment and pass it. You can take it again if you want to get a higher score. So there you go.